Hello everyone. Now we are going to do the last and final question of chapter number 3, admission of partner. Let's check the last question, question number 35. Ashish and Datta were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. On Jan 1, 2015, they admitted Vimal for 1/5 share in the profits. The balance sheet of Ashish and Datta as on 31st March 16. Okay, on 1st Jan 15, there is some mistake over there. The balance sheet was given. Now this is 1/3/16. Okay, there is some mistake with the dates. Let's see. Ashish's capital is given, Datta's capital is given, creditors are given, bills payable, land building, plant, debtors, less provision, stock, cash. Then it was agreed that value of land and building is increased by 15,000. So by 15,000, so that's our revaluation figure. One adjustment, plant to be increased by 10,000. Second adjustment, goodwill of the firm is 20,000. He's been admitted for 1/5 share. So his share of the goodwill becomes 4,000. Okay, Vimal is to bring in capital to the extent of 1/5 of the total capital of the firm. Okay, now total capital of the firm and he has to bring 1/5 of that. Record necessary journal entries, prepare the balance sheet of the firm after Vimal's admission. Okay, let's see. Now it is not mentioned here that how much money, how much capital that Vimal is going to bring in, and Vimal is coming for 1/5 share. So what we need to do, see, it's other way around. First we need to find out Ashish and Datta's capital, these the revalued capital, okay, with all the adjustment of goodwill, this, that, everything, and then we'll come to know what is the final figure of Ashish and Datta, and that final figure will contribute to 4/5. Why 4/5? Because 1/5 is for Vimal. So we'll find out the total capital of the firm in this way. So let's do a good question. Yes, let's start. Okay, I'll be doing the partner's capital account, and then I'll do the journal entries like always. The 35th numerical question is here. Let's keep our accounts ready. There is not much revaluation. After that, partners capital account, 3 partners, this is our partners capital account. And let's do our balance sheet. Okay, let's put our adjustment, first of all, balance sheet. Capitals are given 8035, creditors 15, and bills payable 10. ATN 35 is given, creditors 15, it is not mentioned that Vimal bought the goodwill in cash. Okay, it is not mentioned, so we'll not do it in cash, we'll do it from his current account. Okay. Next thing, 80, 35, 15, 10 is done. Land building and plant has adjustment 35 and 45. Okay. Then debtors also 22,000. PFDD, I don't think so there is any adjustment here. Okay, 2,000. Then stock and cash. Stock no adjustment 35,000. But cash there will be adjustment, okay, of 5,000. Our balance sheet we have totally incorporated. Yes, the balance sheet has been totally incorporated. Land and building 15,000 increased by 15,000, value of plant increased by 10,000, okay. By plant. I don't think so there is any other in revaluation, anything else will come. Yeah. So total revaluation thing becomes 25,000, and that will only be distributed amongst the partners in the old ratio. Okay. Now the old ratio that is being given in the question is 3:2. Yes. So the profits will go. Now see, we don't know how much Vimal is bringing the capital, but we do know how much he has to bring for his goodwill. So premium for goodwill will come from where? Will come from his current account. Okay, and his share in goodwill comes to, he is for 1/5 share, has he been for 1/5 share? Yeah, 1/5 share. So 20,000 divided by multiply by 1/5, that is 4,000. And this 4,000 will go in the sacrificing ratio. For that, we need to find out the sacrificing ratio also. But do we know that? So if it is not mentioned how Vimal is acquiring his share of 1/5, then we will always assume what? The old ratio becomes the sacrificing ratio. So this 4,000 will be divided in the old ratio. So this is what? Goodwill. Okay. So 2,400 and 1,600. Okay, this will be from Vimal's current account. I guess rest everything is done. We still don't know how much capital Vimal got in, that we'll just calculate. First we need to find out the balance. Carried down. Okay, so 80 plus 15, 95, 97, 400. And here it is what? Yeah, 35, 45, 46, 600. So 97, 400 and 46, 600. Now, working note. Calculation of new profit sharing ratio. See, we need to do all these working notes. First of all, Vimal is at 1/5, Ashish and Datta. And this 4/5 they will be distributing in which ratio? And Vimal we already know. So new ratio becomes what? Twelve, 8, 5. Now, what we need? So see, for 12:8 share, that means for 4/5 share, calculation, first of all let's do the goodwill calculation of 20,000 multiplied by 1/5 equals to 4,000. Obviously, I am not writing this working note because of this line. therefore it will be adjusted from his current account. Okay, and the last and the final working note, calculation of the Vimal's capital. For 4/5 share, Ashish and Datta capital equals to what was this? The calculation 97,400 was it? Yeah, 97,400, 46,600. Okay, so 6 4 1 47 90 40 130 130 plus 14 144. So this 1,44,000 is for 4/5 share. So total capital 144. I told you always reverse. 4 3s are 12. 24 4 6 are 36 into 5. That gives me how much? 36 into 5. Vimal share in total capital is 36,000. So this is the amount that Vimal has to bring in. We know that Vimal has bought, see goodwill he has not bought in cash, but capital 36,000 he bought in cash, so it becomes 41,000. And now Vimal's current account is will also come on the debit side, asset side. Okay, let's see, this is done. Capitals, Ashish 97,400, Datta 46,600, Vimal 36. Total I already know. Okay, we calculated. $180 plus 25, 2,05,000 is it? Yeah. Let's see whether we are getting 2,05,000, 45, 50, 80, 1 lakh, 1,55,000, 2,05,000. So with this, our balance sheet also tallies at 2,05,000. We just have to do what? We just have to now do the journal entries. Journal entries becomes really simple. first of all, let's bring Vimal. Cash account debit to Vimal's capital account. We know it is 36,000 now. He did not bring the goodwill in cash, so and this will be to Ashish. We know this also. Third is revaluation. There are only two. This revaluation will be closed. To how 3:2. Is there anything else which is remaining? I don't think so. So these are the 4 journal entries that we have to pass. Just look at the question again. Main thing in this question was the solution of Vimal's capital. I hope you have copied this is the important thing, not new PSR is not important. In fact, we did not need that also. This line should be written because we need to know from where this current account came, and this is the important calculation which shows that how Vimal's capital is calculated. Just to see, for 4/5 share their capital, Ashish and Datta's capital was 1,44,000. So how much will be 1/5? Okay, and the journal entries you have already seen. These are the 4 journal entries that we have to do. With this, we complete our chapter number 3. I'll see you in chapter number 4. Thank you for watching.